everybody. Okay, look what I've been doing. I made molds out of a couple of silicone molds I had bought. And I'm doing these for, obviously, Valentine's. But this little mold I got from Hobby Lobby. And then I just took a little pink Sharpie and just put in the words. They're not the greatest, but if you're looking far away, you know what they are. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to, I still have to paint the white on this one, and this one, so the words show up more. But what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to paint with some Mod Podge gloss, because these are going to go on my fake bakes. I'm going to do a few, then when they're all done and dried, we'll come back and put them on my fake bakes. Okay, so let's go on to painting the top of the cupcake. And I'm going to make the little sprinkles that are on this red. No, I take it back. This one is baby pink. I'm going to do the other one bubblegum, just so it's a little bit different. I'll do one more coat when this dries. Got to do the whole thing when it's on a fake bake because you're going to see all sides, right? Okay, I want to show you, this is a topper that I made for Christmas, okay? And this, I usually use cardboard, but this is packing foam. You know the sheets that you get and it's spongy? This is a perfect thing for toppers. It just popped right off, and now I can store this, okay? So this is what it looks like, and all I did is I cut it. All right, I put this like this and drew around it, cut it, and now I can put it in here, okay, just like that. And when the time comes to take it out, even with the spackle, you can just take like a toothpick and pop it, and it'll come right out. And it'll come out like this. It is perfect. I'm also going to glue on a half of a styrofoam ball. And this is, I think, a 2.5 inch. Because that way I don't have to use so much spackle, because the lightweight spackle is expensive. I mean, here it's like $26. So I'm going to take some glue, okay? And then I'm going to take a little bit of hot glue, not much because I don't want it melting this. But I'm going to use the 3-in-1, and I'm going to glue it onto these mugs. And when it's set, we'll come back and we'll start piping. Okay, so now we are ready to start piping. So I got my spackle. I colored it. I like that pink. This is glued on. So I'm just going to start slowly. I love that color pink. See, with the styrofoam ball, you don't have to use as much, right? You don't want any of your, whatever you're using, to show, okay? The open star is my favorite tip, the 1M. I like that. Okay, now we have to decide which, I'm going to do this one. Okay, then we have some other, should have made a little hole. Okay. Oh, that's cute. Okay, we're done. I'll bring you down so you can see it better. Okay. Let's put a little chocolate bar in here. And this could go here. Okay, I'm almost done. As soon as I'm done with this, I'll bring you down so you can see it.